It's a treat that's perfect, as you can see, for any Cinco de Mayo fiesta. Mini taco cupcakes that are they're almost too cute to eat. We've got Camille Thomson. She's here to show us how to make these. Now, these look like a traditional taco, but they're not, obviously. Yeah. We eat them, right? But
yeah.
I feel like we shouldn't eat them because they're too cute.
They are really cute. They're made out of little Oreos. They're super simple. Kids can make them.
Okay, so just to set the basis here, these are not real savory tacos. These are Oreo sweet cookies. Okay, so where did you come up with this idea?
So I have a blog, so I'm just always kind of in my head. Ideas are spinning and all of that, and I saw the blonde Oreos and I cut them in half and it looked like a little taco shell, and then just went from there, added all the toppings to make it look more real life.
We love your genius, and what's even more genius about this is really the foundation of it's pretty simple.
Yeah, for sure.
So we start with the Oreos. Let's start down at this end. What do you want me to do?
Okay,
Put me to work and
we're
show us
going
how to make
to
these.
frost the cupcakes just real quick.
And are these just standard cupcakes? Is there a special cupcake
you can use any kind of cupcake. The cupcakes that I have here are a lime cupcake, just because that's kind of more
Cinco de Mayo-ish.
So you can find that recipe on my blog, but you can also, if you want to make it super simple, you could even just buy cupcakes from the store and just pop the topper right on top and nobody would know.
Okay, so we add in our frosting.
So the best way that I like to fill piping bags is just put it in a cup. Like
genius
this.
Again, you are a genius.
And then you can just
plop
it in there.
Perfect.
And then I have a closed star tip on this piping bag. So you just go like that and then squeeze it all down. That way you're not like putting your hand in it, getting all the frosting on your hand.
Okay.
So we just squeeze it onto the top and just keep squeezing and then slowly go in a circle up the top.
Perfect.
Like that. And then we can make our tacos.
Okay, and so we are using the blonde Oreos.
Yeah, so first we use the blonde Oreos and we just break it in half. That was a perfect one.
Yeah, it was.
And then we just scrape this. You can do whatever you want with that. I don't know if your kids want to eat it.
My daughter would eat that very quickly.
And then you just cut them in half like this. Kind of have to do a little bit of sawing. So there's our taco shell right there. And you want to keep the Oreo like logo and stuff in the inside.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're going to, this is just store-bought chocolate frosting, just to make
and that's
it really
what looks like
easy.
the ground beef on the inside.
Yeah, so we just put a little bit of frosting in there.
Perfect. And then is that what holds them together as we go along?
So this holds them together, and then we can just, this is crushed up chocolate Oreos, so it's the Oreos with the chocolate filling, not the white filling. So this looks like exactly like the taco meat that we put in.
And then how did you get, I just have to ask this, the effect of the green on the coconut?
Yeah, so I just put a little bit of green food coloring in with the coconut and just mix it together like in a little baggie. And it really does look like lettuce.
Look at that, little cabbage slices, lettuce slices, and then we just top that on top as well.
Yeah, so we just put some lettuce on there. And then these little circle sprinkles, they're supposed to be the tomatoes.
Okay, and then those you can just, those are in like the cake decorating section, right? That's where I've seen those.
So just put a couple of those in there. It does get a little bit messy, but that's what's fun about it.
And with the kid, you know, getting your kids involved in doing this.
Anybody can do this. And then these are just little yellow sprinkles for the cheese.
Can't leave out our cheese on our top.
Yeah, and then for the last thing, I just put a little bit of my extra buttercream in this bag, and this is a lime buttercream as well that you can find on my blog. But yeah, you can just buy cupcakes from the store as well. And then this is just to put a little bit of sour cream on top.
Look at that.
And then you can just
place it right on top.
Put it right on top. And there's your taco cupcake.
Perfect creation. What a fun idea. Where can people go to your Instagram to see these genius ideas you're coming up with?
Yeah, so my Instagram is Camille I Am, so it's Camille and then I-A-M with 2 M's at the end. And then my blog is CamilleIam.com.
Oh, we love it. What a fun idea for Cinco de Mayo. Thank you for being with us on the show, Camille.